Hello guys, welcome back on this channel. So in today's video, I will tell you about the job vacancies in Bell. So what Bell is Bharat Electronics Limited and it's a Navratna company which comes under Ministry of Defense. So and this updates which I will tell you are for freshers only. I mean freshers also and people with uh, initial level experience also. Especially for those who have done apprenticeship, right? But before beginning with the video, first only I would like to tell you that this job is a limited period job. Like the maximum span that can be extended is 4 years, right? After this, you will have to leave. But experience of Bell will definitely get you a job in private sector or some other government sector because it's very renowned. So now let's see the detailed advertisement. So we can come down here and it's written recruitment of trainee engineer and project engineers. So click here to view the detailed advertisement. So this page will open up. Oh, plugin error. So this is the file. So now you can see that they have clearly written on contract basis. So it's a contractual job which is for limited period of time. So now there are two posts. First is trainee engineer and second is project engineer. So for trainee engineer you need engineering 4 year in either aerospace or aeronautical engineering, right? And for general there are two vacancies, OBC 2, ST 1 and SC also 1, and your posting would be in Bangalore, right? And for second one, which is project engineer, you should be BTech or MTech in aerospace or aeronautical engineer. Candidates with MTech qualification should compulsory possess aerospace or aeronautical in their bachelor's, right? So in this unreserved are 1, OBC again 1, and economically weaker section 1, Bangalore. So now comes the salary part. So they have mentioned that for trainee engineer 25,000 per month for first year, then in second year 28,000, and in third year 31,000. So 25, 28 and 31, right? And for next one, which is project engineer, so for project engineer they have told 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's for first year, 40 is for second year, for third year 45, and for fourth year 50,000. And after that you will have to leave, but this experience shall be highly useful, and you can apply for big corporates also like Airbus and Boeing after the experience of Bharat Electronics Limited, as it's also a sort of aviation company only and works for Air Force. So experience. So for trainee engineer, candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience is required. So now freshers are also eligible to apply for trainee engineer profile. So now let's move ahead. So uh, for this project engineer profile, so they have asked minimum 2 years of experience. So now any BTech candidates who wants to apply for project engineer, he should have 2 years of experience. But if you have done MTech, then you don't need any experience, right? Directly you can apply. So now period of contract for trainee engineer, 1 year from the date of joining, right? However, the same may be extended up to maximum of 3 years accordingly. Yeah. For project engineer, 2 year from the date of joining. So for first profile it's 1 year and for second profile it's 2 years. So still next is skill sets required for trainee engineer and project engineer. So these are the skill sets which they have mentioned. Skill sets for UAVs, experimental domain knowledge, college projects in one or more fields, design and structural analysis of airframes, system engineering of aerial vehicles, design and analysis of guidance systems, design of control systems for aerial vehicles, thermal analysis of aerospace structures, design of autopilot for aerial vehicles, simulator development, terrains generation, path planning, knowledge of communication systems, programming is also required, C++, Python, machine learning and artificial intelligence, working knowledge on CAD tools, CATIA, ProE, SolidWorks, ANSYS, flight testing and piloting of small medium size unarmed vehicles is desirable. Knowledge on maintenance of aircrafts. So these are the desired skills which they are expecting from you. Next is the selection procedure. So for trainee engineer, they have kept aggregate marks secured in BTech weightage as 75%, right? Then for experience also they have kept 10% weightage and 15% is for interviews. So for experience, 2.5 marks will be allocated for minimum experience stipulated for the post. 1.25 marks will be allocated for every additional experience of 6 months. So like basically they have kept this particular thing, right? Next is for project engineer. So you can again read the weightage. It's also similar only, I suppose. Candidates have to compulsorily provide a CGPA conversion to percentage of marks as per guidelines provided by their university. So like some have conversion of 9.5 and some have 10. So you need to present the proof, right? Candidates will be shortlisted in the order of 1.5 ratio, right? So this is the way you will be shortlisted for the interview. So your application fee would be 200 rupees and 500 rupees. SC, ST, they are exempted from the fee, right? So they don't need to pay. And other general candidates need to pay 200 and 500 respectively for each post. The application fee should be remitted through SBI Collect, through online mode or through SBI branch, right? So this was for today from Bell Bharat Electronics Limited. So if you like the video, then do subscribe to my channel and share with other friends also who are planning to start their careers. So thank you.